My video guide is about removing the new adware type program that is called VistaQuantum. VistaQuantum is a rogue application that we found while researching new submissions to the VirusTotal database. We found out that this particular application functions as a typical adware. Furthermore, VistaQuantum belongs to the adload malware family. Adware enables the placement of third-party graphical content on visited websites and other interfaces. The displayed adverts promote questionable or hazardous websites, online scams, fake or even harmful software, and even more serious malware. Some intrusive ads can make stealthy downloads or installations once clicked on. Keep in mind that any legitimate products encountered through adware-delivered advertisements are unlikely to be endorsed by their developers. Instead, this promotion is done by scammers abusing the product's affiliate programs to obtain illegitimate commissions. If you have discovered this VistaQuantum adware to be the part of your Mac computer, you should immediately get rid of it. So, on your Mac, go to your Finder, check your applications, find this VistaQuantum adware on the list, right-click on it and move it to the trash. I also recommend that you additionally investigate your Mac computer with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its latest version on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the program, wait until it updates its anti-malware database, and then click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner will then begin researching and investigating your system. The program that you will download is initially in the trial mode. But the trial mode has also got certain absolutely free features, for instance, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even with these free features, your computer will start working much faster. So you need to wait a little bit until the scanning is fully completed in order to see the whole summary of all the threads which were found during the scanning. Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac works exceptionally well in terms of deleting threads like adware, browser hijackers, unwanted browser extensions, fake system optimizers, and other threats. So at the end of the scan, click on Review Results. You will be able to know the information about all the threads, their location. We do recommend upgrading to Premium because this is the best way to keep your Mac free of threats, free of malware, and always protected in the future.